Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exam Cluster. In this video we are going to discuss you about the latest update notified by the UPSC for the post of Assistant Public Prosecutor in CBI for the 26th post, which was notified through advertisement number 04/2021. Before going further, I would request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and like button. Also post your comment and queries in the comment section. The UPSC has notified the fictitious fees candidate in respect of the recruitment of 26 post of Assistant Public Prosecutor in CBI, which was notified by advertisement number 04/2021, vacancy number 210-204-05227. It is mentioned and the notice dated is 28th of July 2021, and it is mentioned that confirmation has not been received from the bank authorities regarding the payment of fees of ₹25 for the above mentioned post. Therefore, in accordance with the provision contained in UPSC advertisement number 04/2021, vacancy number 210-204-05227, published on 27th of February 2021, with closing date of submission of online application being 23:59 hours on 18th of March 2021 for recruitment to 26 post of Assistant Public Prosecutor in CBI. Your application has been rejected. Appeal against the rejection, if any, may be made along with the documentary evidence by speed post or by hand to Under Secretary SPC2, UPSC, Shahjahan Road, New Delhi 110069. Appeal against such rejection should be received in the Commission Office within 15 days, not later than 13th of August 2021. On receipt of documentary proof of genuine of fee payment, your application will be considered for revival. It is also mentioned that the application rejected for non-payment of examination fees, fictitious fees, are as under. First is application number 19911914240, Mr. Chaitanya Sunil Baj. Serial number 2 is 19911927972, Mr. Joseph JDA. Third is 19911932156, Mr. Radha Gopal Sharma. And fourth is 19911766684, Mr. Ramkrishna Mani Tripathi. These four candidates' fees has not been received by UPSC through the bank authorities, for which this notification has been provided. It is mentioned that please submit the bank paying slip through which payment has been deposited by you in the SBI if the fees has been deposited through cash mode. If you have paid the fees through debit, credit or through internet banking or authorized SBI, then please send the copy of your debit, credit statement or bank account statement as the case may be. On receipt of any representation against the above rejection, process for revival of application will be initiated. That means for all the other candidate who has applied for the post of Assistant Public Prosecutor in CBI through advertisement number 04/2021 has been the application fees has been received by the UPSC through the bank authorities, except these four candidates, and they have to submit the proof of the payment by latest on or before by 13th of August 2021, after which their application will going to be rejected. So friends, anybody whose name is appearing in this list, you have to submit the proofs along with the documentary evidence of those things to the UPSC latest by 13th of August 2021. And rest of the candidate, their application has received by the UPSC and the fees is also received by the UPSC, so likely that their application has also been accepted. So friends, these are the recent updates given by the UPSC on the CBI APP examination, and rest all the updates and anything which will be going to be notified by the UPSC will be uploaded on this channel in the coming days as and when notified. In case of any query or problem, please provide your comment in the comment box and the same will be clarified also. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video and have a very nice day.